I did that. I did that. That I did. I did what? I did that. Period. All right, guys, welcome back. Let's just get into it, okay? This video, if you haven't already figured out by the title, is going to be my basic everyday makeup routine. This is literally, I am one of those people that wears makeup almost every day. Not every day. You know, sometimes I do like to let the skin breathe, but for the most part, I am rocking a little something, whether it's just a little bit or a full face, beat, contour, everything. So I'm going to show you guys my basic routine. This is my everyday work, school, wherever. This is the look I'm going for. I'm also going to show you guys how I cover up my dark marks on my face. As you can see, y'all, this year for skin has been very interesting. I don't know what my skin has been doing. Never had these issues before, but it's okay. That ain't gonna stop me. So I've just kind of adjusted my makeup routine to my skin. Yeah, so I have a skin routine that I've been doing, and I have been seeing some results slowly but surely. So once we're to the point where I want to be, or at least where I think I want to be, I don't know, you know, if I feel that it's worth sharing, I will share. If not, whatever. So if you've seen my videos, you know where we start. I've already prepped my face. I've just moisturized. So I'm going to go ahead and prime. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Soft Matte Pro Filter Primer. And we're just going to go ahead and put that on our face. And we are nice and, you know, just we're ready. So, if you've seen my videos before, you know I like to start with the brows. In my Get Ready With Me video, I did, with the brown smoky eye, I did mention the Pierce soap for priming my brows. I'm still loving this routine. My new advice would be that to wash your eyebrow brush literally after, or just more frequently, because the Pierce soap is so waxy that the brush just fills up with gunk, and then it's hard to really like use it. So yeah, anyways, gonna take your eyebrow brush. I'm using a different one now because this one has the tip. This brush is, I have no idea where it's from, I'm so sorry. But this, you're gonna take your eyebrow spoolie and rub it. I did show how to do it in my other video, but I guess we can do it here too. So I'm just gonna get some product on there. Just kind of rub it. I am a little heavy-handed. So if you're heavy-handed, you need to be careful because you can definitely break your spoolie if you're going too hard. Okay, now that the brows are all tamed, I'm going to be going in with my Makeup Revolution brow pencil in medium brown. So this is real cute, you know, double-sided. You have your brow pencil side and your spoolie side. Y'all, please ignore my nails, okay? Let me tell you something. It is finals week. Your girl is tired and trying to succeed, okay? But the nails will be back and popping soon, okay? Anyways, so we're gonna take our brow pencil. I'm gonna go ahead and fill in our brows, okay? So I'm starting from the bottom. You know, I like to line the bottom, following my natural arch, and do some brush strokes to fill that in. In the front, I like to just do like strokes, you know. I do go a little further because I'll probably cover that up anyways. In the front, we like to do just some little small strokes. And in the back, we could just fill it in. I'm gonna say what I always say, just trust the process, sis. Dang. Okay. Just trust the process. And if you mess up, you can always go back and fix it. You know, this artist that I met before, he's a painter. He said art, or he said paint, really, I think. Something like that. He said paint is forgiving. You know what I'm saying? Like, you mess up, you could just fix that junk. And yeah. And I feel like makeup is the same way, because it's practically paint for your face. So if you mess up, just relax, take your time and fix it. Don't get upset. I'm really talking to myself too, because I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I have gotten so upset with makeup before that I just was like and just took it all the way off. It happens. Clean up our brows. Normally this doesn't take me that long, I guess because I'm talking so much, because you know, when I'm getting ready, I'm just like whoop 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 and done. But we're talking it through. Let's have a conversation. Like, why we gotta rush? Alright, so to clean up my little brows, I am taking a paintbrush. I love using paintbrushes. You can buy like a $5 pack from like Michael's or something, and it's just bomb. Don't sleep on the brushes, okay? Most of these makeup brushes are paintbrushes. What did I just say? Makeup is like paint for your face. And I'm taking my Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C12.5. I'm just get a little bit of product on my brush, and then I'm going to clean up these brows. So the brows are cleaned up. Okay, I'm just gonna put a teeny bit on my lid, because we're not doing no serious eyeshadow look. This is an everyday look. I mean, you know what, you know what? Scratch that, I ain't gonna say anything. Anyways, my everyday look does not consist of like extravagant eyeshadow looks. I just like to do a little bit of color to warm up the eyes, and that is it. So we're gonna prime our eye with just a little bit of the same concealer, just a dab. You don't need that much. Trust me, just trust me. I'm going to take this large shadow brush from EcoTools, and we're just gonna blend that out on the eye. Just blend it out. I don't know how long this video is, but I promise you, when I do this every day, it only takes me maybe like 20 minutes, maybe. All right, like I said, we aren't doing a crazy eye today. Not crazy, a gorgeous eye, a beautiful eye. We're just doing a simple little one color sweep swap to just warm up the eyes. That's all we're doing. I'm taking this brush from BH Cosmetics. It's a number 6, but it's a shadow brush, and I'm going into my Morphe 24A Artist Pass palette, and we're just going to be using our Desert Vibes here just to warm up the eye a tad. Okay, and we're just warming up the eye. Oh, Yeah, blend that out. Okay, see, we just warmed up the eye just a smidge, okay? Like I said, this is my everyday look. I like to keep it simple, natural, glowy, beautiful. That's it. All right, this is the moment. I'm gonna show you guys how I cover up my dark spots. It's no real secret or anything, but yeah. Anyways, I have here a 24-hour flawless conceal. This is a concealer corrector. This is actually from Ebin, New York, and it's red orange. I'm sure you've all seen this type of color corrector, and that's what I use. I use that for under my eyes and my dark spots that I have. Okay, so we're just gonna squeeze it out and apply it directly to our face. I like to get like under my eye, like I said, because I have dark circles, and y'all are gonna see the magic that happens with these color correctors. Okay, if you don't want to buy a color corrector, you can always use like a red lipstick, you know, like a reddish orange lipstick. Anything in this color family is good for covering up dark spots. So I'm just gonna literally cover all the spots that I personally want to cover. All right, so I know you probably like, what in the world? But just bear with me. I'm gonna take a little beauty blender. We're gonna go ahead and blend that all out, okay? Blend it, blend it, blend it. All right, so once we are all blended out, I'm going to take some banana powder. I'm using Makeup Revolution Banana Deep, and I'm going to pack some powder using the same beauty blender into those areas that I've color corrected. So I'm actually being very generous with the amount of powder that I'm putting on. I don't know about you, but I can already see the difference. Y'all just kind of, what? Y'all, I'm telling y'all, just try out this method. Just try it and let me know what you think. And then when you put the foundation on, girl, you're gonna be like, what? I see what you did there, girl. Okay, honey, we are looking crazy, but it's okay. It's okay, because the foundation's about to go on. It's about to come together. It's cool. Anyways, now that we are all powdered down and looking ghostly, we are going to put on our foundation. Come on now, foundation. I've said this many times before, and I'll say it again. This is my favorite foundation ever. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the color Gabagino. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and just put that on. I'm going to take a brush, apply it all around my face, and then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend it out. Okay, I'm going to take my e.l.f. concealer in Tan Walnut. I'm just gonna go right under the eye, boop, boop, and then I'm gonna take my concealer from earlier, my Makeup Revolution in C12.5. I'm just gonna go a little beauty blender, blend that out. Blend it out. Blend it out. Because we want to look like we got good sleep last night, okay? Not studying till 4 a.m. This looks like we went to sleep at 8 o'clock. Okay? I am going to pop on some mascara. My favorite Essence Lash Princess. This is the False Lash Effect one. Okay, this you can get anywhere, drugstore, Ulta, and I'm just popping that on. See how the lash just woke our eyes up a little bit. Okay, we have a little bit of time, so I'm going to do a little bit of blush. What did I tell y'all last time? Blush warms up the face, okay? So I'm going back in with my 24A Artist Pass palette. This brush, I have no idea what it's actually called, but it is a BH Cosmetics 113 brush. See, it's very rounded. I'll be using this for my blush, and in my palette I'm going to use the Indio Woo, and we're just gonna get a little something, a little bit, warm up the face just a tad. So you just want to smile. And friends, we are almost done. Let's just pop on a little gloss for the one time. This lip gloss I have is from Spicy Dark Cosmetics. It's from their Spicy Zodiac Sign line, and if you didn't know by now, I'm a Libra, the best sign there is, no debate. Save it for your mama. All right, so this gloss is this is cute. It's like a burgundy-esque with some glitter. So we're just gonna pop that on the lip the one time. Give a little color to the lip, a little bit of shine. And to finish us off, we are going to give our face a little spritz with the Mario. Okay, if you don't know about Mario Rose Water, get you some now. Okay, I love this. I always use this as a setting spray, or even just like a little spritz after I've washed my face. You know, this joint is bomb. Anyways, let's give a little spritz. And ladies and gentlemen, there you have it. My everyday face. Isn't she gorgeous? You are too, boo. Anyways, let me just say, this video is probably longer or as long as it would normally take me. This look normally takes me like 20 minutes or less, depending on how much time I have. Okay, yes, my everyday look is not a 5-minute makeup look. It is not a 10-minute look. I am sorry, that is not me. I have steps that I want to follow, but you know, create your own everyday makeup look routine. If yours is 5 minutes, then 5 minutes it is. But thank you guys for making it to the end of this video. Here you have it. This is our everyday makeup look. Like I said before, it usually takes me like 15-20 minutes to do because there's less talking. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do I have to say it? I'll say it. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and turn your notifications on so that you know when the next video is coming. Okay, thank you. All right. Until next time, wishing you love, health, wealth, and happiness.